Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to activate Windows 10. But before we start, read the instruction and disable antivirus and firewall cause it can prevent the activation. And learn how to unpack the archive in case you don't know. This TXT is attached under the video. Okay, and now we start. First, let's download Activator using the link from pinned comment under the video. Save and unpack it. Password is Activator 2021. Also, you can copy it from comment or check it on text file. Press on Activate program, detect our Windows key and Windows was activated. Now you can close the program. Now we haven't any text about Windows not activated and you can delete installing files. In case if I helped you, please subscribe on my channel and press like button. Thank you and goodbye.